My name is Davis. I'm from Bartley Secondary School. I came to know about Ace Your POA from Google. Before joining Ace Your POA, my score was actually F9, but my current score is actually D4 right now as of my prelims. Ever since I joined Ace Your POA, I found Mr. Quack very relatable and he actually helped me out a lot, and I was able to understand most of the concepts and theories even though I used to dislike the subject itself a lot. I used to attend other POA lessons elsewhere, but it didn't work out. So ever since I joined Ace Your POA, during Mr. Quack's lessons, he was very interactive with the students, and when he sees us restless or tired, he'll encourage us to focus and he'll provide like sweets or some snacks for us to actually energize ourselves, and we would be more focused in class. I think the worksheets and the resources that were provided for us students was actually very customized, and it was to our level. Even though some of us may be struggling in a certain subject, Mr. Quack will be able to sit us down and actually go through with us even though there's no lessons. So Mr. Quack actually allows us to come down to consult him even though we don't have any lessons on the day itself. And I feel that the worksheets and the resources that were provided is something that is of a level that prepares us for our future examinations. I think one of the impacts that have on me ever since I joined Ace Your POA was that I used to be very distracted easily, and I always lose focus on the goal that I actually set for myself. But Mr. Quack will actually always remind me of the goals that I've set for myself and actually encourage me to actually strive for it. And if he sees that I'm actually distracted, he will remind me and he will actually sit down to talk to me. So instead of actually being just a teacher, Mr. Quack is actually more like a friend to most of our students. I think one of the special moments that I had with Mr. Quack was that he actually called for an hour and he actually asked me about my life and found out more about how things were at home, and he actually tried to offer his help to me. So as compared to my other teachers in school or other tuition centers, I can actually say that Mr. Quack is very relatable to us students. So I can safely say that Mr. Quack is the best teacher out of all the tuition centers that I've been to, and Ace Your POA will really help you out if you are really struggling with the subject. I would recommend Ace Your POA because I find that Mr. Quack is actually very flexible with timing, because he doesn't reprimand us if we are very packed with our schedule at home, like preparing for examinations or upcoming exams or just self-revisions. He will actually take his time out to try to compromise and accommodate to like what our schedule is like. So if let's say we have our consultations, he will actually tell us the days that he's available and we can just come down. Thank you Ace Your POA, thank you Mr. Quack.